What's in there? Watch out! What am I doing? No, you didn't. Collard green day, baby.
Where are we at in the process? But as you can tell, I like a little greens with my meat. Now I'm gonna tell you something. We done broke out the good paper plates and everything.
See you there.
The Simple Mile family. Woo!
Hi friends, welcome to the final episode of our $75 and Thriving mini-series. In today's video, we're bringing it full circle with a true comfort food favorite. You'll see a clip from a previous video where Daniel is cooking up some beautiful collard greens, and I'll be making homemade cornbread to go right alongside them. We chose this recipe for our final episode because it means something to us. This is the kind of food that takes us straight back to our childhood. Simple, hearty, comforting, and made with love. It's amazing how a pot of greens and fresh cornbread can bring back so many memories. And at the end of this video, we're answering the big question. Can two people really eat healthy on $75 a week? So stick around as we break it all down, and let's get into it.
Browning up some bacon. Smoked turkey legs, sausage, white onion, some green bell pepper, some yellow bell pepper. I usually use just green bell pepper, but I ran out of green bell pepper, so I had to use some of that yellow bell pepper that my wife puts in her bougie salads. She gets mad at me when I use all of her stuff up. What's in there? Watch out! What am I doing? No, you didn't. Collard green day, baby. Got to clean these babies up and get them in the pot. For you guys that don't know, listen, you got to wash your collard greens. These things got dirt and all kind of mess with them. You got to clean these bad boys up good. Give them a triple rinse. Clean them up good, then you can start picking them. Don't cut short on this because when you go to eat, you might end up getting a mouthful of dirt.
Ooh, look at there. My baby's making some collard greens for lunch.
They already know. They already know. I already told them about it.
Oh, you already told them?
Yeah.
But you didn't tell me. It's a secret.
Honeymoon's over. All you people want to know, might lose some sleep over this. Don't worry. We making cornbread too.
Yes. Gotta have cornbread.
Put the lid on this bad boy, bring it to a bowl, and then turn it down to a simmer. And a couple hours, we'll check the season, make sure it's got everything I want going on in it. We'll probably simmer this for 4 hours or so. Check back.
So now, what do we got in the pot? We got, besides the collard greens, the onions, and the bell peppers, we got some smoked sausage. We got some bacon in there that I crumbled up. And now we've got the smoked turkey legs. So I'm gonna turn this down, but basically it's done. I'm just gonna let her just kind of percolate for a little bit until we're ready for dinner. Here, I don't even know what time. Oh, probably a couple hours. We're gonna do some cornbread, and we'll take this bad boy off the fire, and when that happens, we'll come back online, tell you guys about it, and let you see what the final product looks like.
Making our mixed greens, homemade. We're gonna make some homemade cornbread, and we are using Bob's Red Mill organic cornmeal. It's made with nothing but organic whole grain corn, because we don't like to eat things we can't pronounce, so we make sure our ingredients is clean. So this is my first attempt to make cornbread in our RV in our convection oven, so let's see how this works. Alright, so first of all, I have a little recipe here. So first of all, we're going to do 1 cup of Bob's Red Mill cornbread mix. You're a little too much there. So now we need half a cup whole wheat flour. And our flour is also organic. And this is Bob's Red Mill flour. And there is nothing in here in the ingredients but organic hard red wheat. Contains wheat because it's hard red wheat. One of the things, as you know, we are trying to eat very healthy. And so to eat healthy, we don't want to have a bunch of ingredients that we can't pronounce in our food because that can't be healthy for us either. So let's do half a cup. And this is actually, I say, my first time making cornbread in our RV. It's actually the first time I've ever made homemade cornbread. We usually always buy the little jiffy packs, so we'll see how this turns out. Baking powder. All right, so ChatGPT, Rosie. All right, so now that we've got our ingredients all mixed together, we got our oven preheated, we will go ahead and pour the batter in the pan. I feel like we got a pretty good consistency here. Not too soupy, not too thick. All right, so let's go ahead now that we've got our oven preheated. And since this is a convection oven, we got to put a little rack here so the heat goes up underneath it. And we're going to go 400. All right, guys. So this is our finished product. Homemade cornbread in our convection oven. Look at that.
Looks perfect.
Doesn't it though? Tasty. All right, so Daniel is the official taste tester.
Really good texture. Cornbread. Look.
How about them greens?
I know this will be coming. Perfect. Now I'm gonna tell you something. We done broke out the good paper plates and everything. Got that. Y'all might not know nothing about this. Little Cajun chef pepper sauce.
Gotta have the pepper sauce with the greens. Yes, definitely.
Got the cornbread. Subscribe, like, ring the bell. You ring the bell, you won't miss it. So
that's right. See you there.
The Simple Mile family. Woo!
Hi, friends. We just wrapped up our entire $75 per week Healthy RV Meal Challenge, and I want to share the final numbers with you. Our monthly budget goal was $300. Our actual total? $268. That's right, we came in under budget. And here's the most important part. We did not deprive ourselves. We did not go hungry. And we absolutely did not live on processed boxed food. We cooked real homemade meals right here in our RV using our convection oven and induction stovetop. We used wholesome ingredients, organic when possible, simple pantry staples, No artificial lab-made chemicals. No junk fillers. Just real food. We made hearty breakfasts, satisfying lunches, and comforting dinners that kept us full longer, which actually helped us eat less overall. And yes, we even made healthy desserts from time to time. This series proves something important. You can eat healthy on less than $75 a week. You can cook wholesome meals in a small RV kitchen, and you don't have to sacrifice flavor to stay on budget. As this series comes to an end, our healthy cooking journey does not. We'll continue making nourishing, budget-friendly meals as we travel across the USA in our RV. Because this isn't just a challenge, it's our lifestyle. If you followed along, thank you. And if you're just joining us, there's never been a better time to start cooking real food with us on the road. Healthy can be simple. Healthy can be affordable. And healthy can be delicious. We'll see you in the next one.
Y'all, I did my part. Now it's the little lady's turn. That's about it from us, guys. Listen, we thank you so much for watching us. We're so humbled that anybody even want to watch us. Until next time, me and Terry say,
Peace out.
now you guys want to know about dessert? Let me show you how we do it. Non-fat, plain Greek yogurt. In the bowl. Next, we put in a little bit of granola. Layer in some banana next, and then repeat the process. And that's what it looks like when it's done. Low fat and tasty.